The airplane you board every time, the one you think you know inside out, actually hides layers of design secrets crafted not just for comfort or safety, but for manipulation, subtle psychology, and even hidden engineering tricks you've probably never noticed in your life. Would you believe me? Or would you think it's just another one of those travel myths floating around online? Because here's the strange part. Almost everything inside that cabin, from the lights above your head to the armrest you casually fight over with a stranger, is placed with such deliberate intention that once you see it, you can't unsee it. And suddenly flying will never feel the same again. Let's start with something so simple you'll be shocked. Why do the windows not line up with every single row? Ever noticed how some seats feel more cramped, some misaligned with a view? Almost like the plane designer made a mistake? But it's no mistake at all. Manufacturers intentionally stagger them so that you focus on the illusion of more space, even when your knees are crushed, and airlines can squeeze in an extra row without you realizing. Then there's the overhead bin design. Most travelers think it's just a box to dump your bag. But the curve, the slope, the weight distribution, every inch is a hidden trick to guide passenger flow, reduce chaos, and make you subconsciously move faster during boarding, so airlines can turn flights around in record time. And let's talk about cabin lighting. Have you ever wondered why it shifts between warm, orange, cool blue, or that eerie dim purple glow on some flights? That's not about aesthetics. It's about hacking your brain. The lighting tricks your circadian rhythm, relaxes anxious flyers, and even nudges you into sleeping at times that match the destination's time zone, all while helping flight attendants control the energy of the entire cabin like invisible puppet masters. Now here's a detail so sneaky, most people never catch it. The slight backward tilt of airplane seats isn't just about comfort. It's designed to redistribute your body weight so turbulence feels less violent, reducing panic without you ever realizing what's happening. And the armrest? That little button under the aisle seat? It's not just to lift the armrest for extra space. Flight crews use it as an emergency access point to get passengers out faster if chaos ever erupts. Even the carpet beneath your feet. Ever notice how it's thicker at the aisle and thinner near the windows? That's to stabilize rolling carts, but also to subtly guide your footsteps, making you follow a flow pattern you don't even know you're obeying. And here's the kicker, that faint, almost sweet smell you get when you first step onto a plane. It's not just airplane smell, it's a carefully engineered scent pumped into cabins by certain airlines to trigger calmness and brand recognition, literally burning the airline's memory into your brain through your senses. Shocking, right? But it goes deeper. Why are tray tables slightly slanted? Not a flaw, it's intentional, so drinks slide inward toward the hinge, minimizing spillage in turbulence. Why are bathroom doors made so light and flimsy? Not just for weight saving, but because crews need to be able to break into them in seconds if someone locks themselves inside. And then there's one detail so bizarre, I almost didn't believe it when I first learned it. The tiny triangle stickers above certain windows. Ever spotted them? That's the exact spot flight attendants use to check wing flaps and ice buildup during critical moments, meaning your window seat isn't just for a view. It could be part of a life-saving inspection mid-air. Everything is calculated, nothing is random, and once you know the truth, the cabin feels less like a casual space and more like a living machine, designed to influence your behavior and keep you safe without you even knowing. So next time you're buckling up, ask yourself this: how much of what you see is real design and how much is psychological illusion? quietly steering your journey from takeoff to landing. Because whether you like it or not, every hidden trick inside that plane is working on you right now. And realizing it might just change the way you'll ever fly again.